In today's video, we'll learn the process of installing the Young at Heart application on your computer. To do this is very simple and just takes a few minutes. To start, open your internet browser and visit youngatheartonline.com/PE_US. This brings us to the login screen where you enter the username and password that were supplied when you signed up for the service. Once you sign into the application, the very first thing you need to do is download the software on your computer. You only need to do this the first time you install the application. When you come back after that, it will be live on your computer and everything will run. One of the most important things at this point is to make sure that the Cardio clip is not plugged into the USB port on your computer. So if you have already plugged the Cardio clip into the USB port on your computer, please simply unplug it until we finish downloading the software. This will ensure it is installed correctly. At this point, click on the Download Software link in the top right of the screen and click Run. This will download the application from the Young at Heart server, and this small application resides on your computer and powers the Cardio clip, which reads the pulse waves. And now Windows is preparing to install the components. And simply click Next and install the application for everybody on your computer. Click Next again. And at this point, you will want to review the end user license and click I agree. And now the software is going to be installed on your computer. This should simply take a few moments. At this point, simply click on the link that says Install the driver software anyway, and the installation should be finished momentarily. And click Close to exit. At this time, it's now time to plug the Cardio clip into the USB port on your computer. To do this, plug the small end of the wire into the Cardio clip and the larger end into the USB port on your computer. On a laptop, this is typically found on the side or back of the computer, and on a desktop, this is either found on the front or back of the computer. When the Cardio clip is plugged in, you may notice a small dialog indicating that it is installing the software. Simply wait for that and everything is good. Now it's time to add our first client into the system. To do this, click on the New Client button, type the client's name, and select the country. And their birthday. In this case, we'll select the 19th of August, 1971. The gender, the height in inches, and the weight in pounds. At this point, indicate whether the client is a smoker. And also, the results of the measurements are valuable for improving our service and scientific research. The client may agree or disagree to grant Young at Heart permission to use their test data for research and development purposes. To ensure your privacy, all data is processed anonymously. Either click Agree or Disagree and Save Client. At this point, it is time to run the test. We'll click on the client's name and move to the Test tab. To ensure the software has been installed correctly, click on the New Measurement tab, and a pop-up window will appear within 15 seconds, indicating that it is time for the first measurement. Make sure the Cardio clip is turned on by pressing the white button on the Cardio clip, and at this point insert your finger into the Cardio clip and look for a consistent pulse wave on the Cardio clip and click Start. And at this point we can see that the software is correctly installed. For full protocols on how to run the test, please visit our screening protocol video. Otherwise, you have successfully installed the Young at Heart application, and you may begin screening yourself and other people to learn your comparative vascular age.